6 years old and I wanted a parakeet.
Not the parakeet thing again.
She promised me a parakeet. She swore I'd get a parakeet. She brings me this little paper bird on a stick from the circus, you know, the kind that you can twirl around your head and get them to tweet.
And that was your pet?
They're really clean.
Then she tells me if I'm a good girl, a really good girl, God would turn the little paper bird into a real one, which I believed. Because why would the mother lie? So every day I'm being a very good, praying and looking for any sign of life and becoming very attached to that ridiculous paper bird. So you can imagine my heartbreak when one morning I find it dead.
How does a paper bird die?
Good question. Someone used it to restart the pilot light.